Hello everyone, we are back. Let's go and see how we are going to create this presentation and how it looks like. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to see my channel. You will find many things in this sort of interest. Okay, let's try to create it. At first, I make ready the text. These are the text, also only the text. You see, the text has nothing special, but one important thing about the text we are going to create. This is the slide one. The important thing about that is we are using this kind of arts, and then just after using that, for example, let's use this. We change the outline. It's easy. Okay, we have this thing, and after doing that, the only thing is important is using contrast. We are going to format background and set the background here to black. You see it's very beautiful how it's look like, but the more important thing is that here in the transition, when we set it to none, you must here make this thing to go the transition after 1 second. For what? For this view. You see, it's really beautiful how it come from white to black. This slide has nothing special. Just the important thing about that is that we are using 3 text. One text here using the shape format. It has the outline that we can delete the shape outline, and it has a little shadow that we are using for this shape format. And then what we are going to do for each face, we are going to change the size of the topic and change these things. How? We format background, and from here we just simply get this color. But you see, we have a little problem. What is the problem? This outline, we don't need it. Let me just delete this. You see, the effect has been created. How I created? It's really easy. Now let's go for this thing. How we are going to do the same thing? We are going to eyedrop the color from here, and then everything is okay. And here I'm going to eyedrop color from here again. This is not important which color you use. You can use each color you want. And then also for this slide. After doing that, you just simply need to change everything. Transition to morph. Select all of them. Set the transition to morph. Now let's run it. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.